For homeowners in the Peak District that want to sell their property quickly at the highest possible price.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Who are worried about using a national company that only have a website, telesales agents, and no regional offices. Peak Estates are a local family-owned estate agency that has helped many people buy and sell their homes in the Peak District for over 50 years. And because their friendly agents know the local market intimately, they'll do everything to secure the best price in the shortest possible time. Unlike the big chain estate agents who don't know the local area well enough to properly sell its benefits and are more interested in a quick sale. Peak Estates pride themselves on being flexible and offer assisted viewings 7 days a week, from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. to accommodate everyone's work patterns. Plus, all new house listings are instantly sent to a database of 1,500 plus interested local buyers and enjoys a premium listing on the Peak Estates busy property website that gets over 22,000 monthly views. To sell your property quickly at the highest possible price, call Peak Estates today or visit us online.